So I know what you're thinking. Bridget, can these tools really save me over $1,000 every year? The short answer is yes. The long answer is yes. Here are the calculations on the side if you want to see, but I did them, so I know they're right. And you can be saving over $1,000 a year by using these services. Starting off with the very first one, which is YouTube ads' worst nemesis, and that is LinkedIn Learning. If you're someone who goes on YouTube to watch math videos or watch videos about a school-related topic, LinkedIn Learning is a great free resource that comes with most universities for how to learn these topics. LinkedIn Learning also has the benefit of not having ads, so it's much easier to watch something about matrices and not have to worry about getting smacked in the face with an ad halfway through and diverting your attention to something else like buying toilet paper. Now, please don't come at me if your university doesn't offer this. A lot of universities offer LinkedIn Learning, and it's worth checking out on the school website or asking the tech team at your university. Now, moving into the second free tool you can use as a student. Now, this one could actually help you build the next Gears of War or Animal Crossing, and that is Unity's free version. Basically, Unity is a game development platform, and it's a great place for beginners who are interested in game development to start. Now, I also would love to recommend this channel that I used a lot before when I was more into game development, and that is Brackeys. Unfortunately, he stopped making videos, but his channel is still great for beginners who are trying to learn more about video game development and who want extensive tutorials. You should really take advantage of Zoom's free version for students. You're able to host a ton of people in your meeting rooms, schedule meetings, do basically whatever you want when you have a student account for Zoom. So you should take advantage of this if you're interested in hosting online club meetings, having coffee meetups with industry professionals, or just doing personal Zoom calls. You can do all of these things with your Zoom student account, and it's super useful if you're just looking for an easy video platform to talk to people. Now, for those of you that like reading or have to because of a class, this is going to be a total lifesaver. Now, most people know that when you go to a library, you just need to get a card, and then you can check out as many books as you want for free. But at most universities, they're partnered together. So let's say University A has a particular book that you want, but you go to University B, you can order the book from University B, get it delivered to your school, and then you can just go pick it up and read it for free. So this is a great way to save money if you're interested in reading books, even if your current university doesn't actually hold those books. And it has the added plus that it's super convenient. You can just pick it up before or after class. Now, a bonus tip for free things you can get as a student, and that is free research papers. If you're a student and you go to a website like Gale Research, you can enter your school email and see if your school pays for Gale Research. And if it does, then you can go ahead and get free access to these research papers and read them as much as you want. Now, you may be saying, Bridget, but I hate reading research papers. That's no sweat at all. You can just go check out my video on how to use ChatGPT to quickly read research papers. It's super helpful if you like getting the information from research papers, but you don't necessarily like sitting down and reading them 20 times to understand them. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any other free software that you like to use, go ahead and leave that down in the comments below so we can all learn from each other and share the free software that we've been using. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.